We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa D.I.Ys and on our simple, slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Hello and welcome back to our channel. This week is a little bit shorter than we normally do, only because it's an Easter weekend and I have my sister and her family over, so I wanted to spend a little bit of time with them. But of course I didn't want to miss out on the weekly video, so I hope you enjoy it. Buongiorno, as you can tell, today is Palm Sunday, Domenica delle Palme. We nipped into that lovely open church, which we've never seen before. That was lovely. And now I bought myself this palm, well actually Massi bought it. We are going to go for a little look around the vintage and then we're going home to do some more gardening. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go get some artichokes.
Artichokes?
Massi, prepare yourself.
Great to my disgust.
Okay, we bought artichokes, a nice candle holder, but it's going to be a lamp as usual, and some garlic. Well, since the day my sister and her family have arrived, the weather has been awful. It's been raining, it's been stormy, you name it. Anyway, I'm popping over now. It was great to see my sister and her family again after a year. They weren't expecting the weather to be so cold and windy, so we took them to a shopping center so they could pick up some warm blankets and other things, and then they got a bite to eat. Right, so left my sister at the shopping center. She's still carrying on with her family, having a look at all the lovely things that you can find there, but we needed to get back home. I did buy a nice lampshade to go on to the candlestick holder that we found at the market this Sunday. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Massi's still got to connect everything though. As soon as he's ready, he can do that. So that's one. And then I ordered this cushion. I ordered this strange looking cushion. Has anybody else got a cushion like this? I've been suffering from a lot of sore neck recently, and everyone said that this cushion is the best. My sister swears by it, so let's see how that goes.
There you go. Sorted. Where's your light?
What about the light?
What light? Why you want a light in there as well?
Yes, I do.
Oh, God, you want so many things, don't you?
Obviously, you've got to connect it to the light bulb.
So I have to put light in there. No?
Yes.
No. Didn't get off that easy.
No.
Okay.
Right, I'm obsessed with these candle holder lamp things now, and a lot of people said they loved it. So, and I absolutely love these because they're just so skinny, you know, and they look elegant. So when I saw this one at the market, I was like, I have to have it. Sorry. Luckily, Massi is pretty good at doing all of this. So yeah, very lucky, very lucky. Right, that's all connected. Just got to put the lamp bulb holder in, got the wires all in, even got a little switch there. which is amazing.
I need a light bulb, no? Where are they?
I don't know if we've got one. Let me go have a look. Alright, let's see if it all works.
You can blow the house up.
Still got to take the plastic off, but just we're having a look. Oh, yay! Oh my gosh, it's stunning. Thanks, Mas. That looks great. Thank you.
Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt.
That evening, we were invited by my son and his family to have dinner at his place.
Close it off there. Yeah. Put a gate. And I'm going to do banchina. How do you say banchina?
Bench, like a seating area.
Amazing.
All the way around here.
No. He then showed us and my sister's family his plans for his little garden outside. He's got a stunning view of the sea and Mount Etna. And yeah, it's so lovely to see him settled in.
It's never going to break, is it? No. Well, this one's done it.
Charlie, say buon appetito.
I bought you something.
When you have to
No, Italia è il nostro pizza.
Questo è uguale, l'unica.
Vabbè, vedo questo e poi dopo si
The next day we went for a walk into Ortigia. The weather was not looking very promising, but we decided to go anyway. We had a bite to eat and then the rain just came down.
A brolly under a brolly.
This is how it ended. Caramel. Oh, it's my favorite. Even with the rain and the cold, they still wanted ice cream, which is fair enough. And my sister's trousers were soaked. Anyway, that was a nice half day, and then we went back home.
Okay, you know what? You can pull it, please.
The next day was slightly better, which gave us a chance to work in the garden. Us ladies worked in my garden and we got rid of the big rosemary, which was completely taking over. So I got a huge amount of help from my sister. The kids just messed about, and the men next door at my sister's property were clearing out the gutter. And they found so many leaves and branches. There was a whole tree basically growing. Lumberjack Lisa. I love it when you come on holiday, Lisa. Another beautiful family moment, just enjoying our food, having little chats together. These are moments that the grandchildren will remember for the rest of their lives. My grandson Mattia is absolutely obsessed with anything to do with space, the moon, the planets. So you can imagine when the spaceship went off to have its mission around the moon, we had to wait up till midnight to watch this with him, as it was super important for him to record and remember forever. And we're going to end the video here with my sister and I peeling some pistachio nuts, getting them ready for Easter for our lunch, as we're going to make a pasta with pistachio sauce and speck. Anyway, I just hope that you are going to spend a wonderful Easter, and I hope it brings you serenity, joy and happiness, and we'll see you next week with a brand new one. Ciao, alla prossima!